guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Wisconsin Anglers. Check the view in the back. We are in the Bay of Green Bay. We're going to be going for some pike and some jumbo perch today. Got the shack set up right here. We drilled some holes along this shoreline. We're going to drill some holes out farther, a little deeper. We're going to be jigging up some perch, jigging up some pike, and we'll catch you guys soon. Tossing down a pink dinner bell with a minnow head on there. And this is my second drop. What up? What?
Eat, drink air. Next time, just let it. There'll be more coming.
I knew I saw a dark shadow on me.
Play. Yeah.
I heard that, bro. I was like, Aiden, an auto just popped. He goes, where?
And here we go. Oh yeah. That's a nice fish. I heard that all. Did you hear that?
No. I heard it. I was like, I thought it was a.
I heard that all the way over in there.
What's that? This is a nice.
The pop.
I'm the automatic fisherman. I heard that too.
Yeah, I was like, Aiden, an auto just popped.
Ooh, perfect hook set.
Nice fish on the automatic fisherman. Not a huge one, but only a good one. Put up a good fight. Right, what is that, 23? 26?
Oh, good. We're sitting in there.
I heard that too.
An auto just popped. I looked at mine. I'm like, where's your auto?
Oh, is that a flag up? Yep. Oh, yeah. This is mine. Let's see. Oh, dang! Holy crap! Boy, I got it. Come on.
Big head shakes.
Might be a big one, dude.
Most of the big ones.
That thing was dog in the beginning. Did you hear it?
Most of the big ones just
Run right away and then just head shake.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're still hooked up. This is a long fight.
This is like
I've been fighting this fish for
probably about 6, 7, 8 minutes. This is 2 seconds after his auto went off, and
You see him?
this is not. This might be a 40-inch. This might be like mount worthy.
This is a good fish. This might be my PB.
This could be. Oh, your PB's 30 inches, buddy.
You're well over PB.
You're well over your PB. You're like a foot longer than your PB.
Holy
Dude.
fish is not ready to give up.
guys, 6-pound test. This is a mondo.
This is 6 pound.
Oh my God.
Don't try and pick that.
This 6-pound here.
What's your leader?
My
12?
leader, I think my leader is like 10. My hands are freezing.
I'm glad you're freezing. You're in a coat and snow pants. I'm in a sweatshirt. I'm in a shirt. I'm literally gonna get frostbite right here. Dude.
Do not want to come.
Dude.
He'll come home.
We'll get him out. This is a big. This might be like 38, 39, 40.
I'm thinking, dude, the size of the head of this thing is huge. Every time he gets to the hole, he's making about a 25-yard run. This is about the 6th time he's done it.
We're like, what, 10 minutes into this?
He's getting tired, I can
This
tell.
might be like the biggest one.
Here he comes again. Oh. Come on. Dude, look at those head shakes.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh!
No way! Holy crap! Dude!
Oh my God, dude! What the?
This is like a muskie right here. Guys,
That's a 40, dude. That's a 40.
this is what you come to. Oh my god. This is what you come to Green Bay.
Sorry, what was that? What do you come to Green Bay? Oh, dude, that's a 40.
That's like a high 30s.
This is my PB right here.
Look at the head on that thing, dude.
Guys, look at the hook in here, man.
I don't know
my
how I
God.
didn't get snapped off.
How did he not get snapped off?
That's a pig. That is a pig.
That's a swab.
I can't believe we even got this fish up.
Look at how
This is
deep.
a mountain
Look at how
right
deep.
here.
Let me see. Look at how deep this hook is, guys. He's using
Look at that.
6 pound test, and the hook is down there.
Yep.
Aiden, lay next to it.
Aiden's 5'10", guys. Aiden's 5'10".
Look at this. This is my baby right here. I can't believe we got this. Look at the head compared to the body of this.
Look at the bot. Look at that. Dude, that guy's been munching. All right, guys.
Any guesses?
I'm going.
40 on the dot.
I got, yeah.
Nope, 37.
I'm going like 38, 39. We got 38.
Yep.
Got a 38 and about a quarter. Oh no, 30. Yeah, 38. 38 and about a quarter. Dude. I don't. We're doubled up. We're doubled up. We're doubled up. We're doubled up.
Are you hooked up?
Yep. Hooked up. Are you hooked up? You got a fish? It's nice and easy here, boys. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Just got done taking a thumbnail. Nice.
He's got one.
Hooked up. Nah, not too big.
Alright, here he is. Come on. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Not a bad fish. Decent pike. 20, mid to high 20s, 26, 27 maybe. Guys, this is nuts. This is nuts. Every time we have one flag go off, another flag pops. It's like we can't get one without getting another. So. Yeah.
Hey, I got one now.
Do you?
Go get mine.
Where?
Right there.
Go get it. Right there. Right there. Go get it.
Go get it. Go get it.
Alright, you can go record him.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go for the grab here. Oh, my hands are numb. Oh, jeez. Oh. He sees my hand. He doesn't like that. Oh, I can't lift him. I can't horse him. Ah. I only got 6 pound test on this, guys. This guy's got some wicked teeth and it's deep in the mouth. Oh, no, there he goes. Oh, okay. Down we go. Oh, come on, let's get this guy in here. All right, I'm gonna get him right here. There he goes! We got him!
Alright guys, Tony's got one on, we're doubled up. Oh, I'm coming. Here we go, Tony's got one. Hold it up. Let's see it. Oh yeah, that is a beauty.
Ah, solid 26, 27 right there. Not
Man.
a bad fish at all.
Alright guys, nice little pike here. I'm at, oh my god, I'm so cold I can't even talk. Nice little pike here. What is this, like 4 in like probably 20 minutes. Whenever one goes off, another one like 20 feet away goes off. I can't even talk, I'm so cold. But this is ridiculous, guys. I mean, we went, what did we go, 5 hours with nothing. Like literally nothing. And now Aiden got a 40-inch. I got a probably 27, 26. I got another 26, 27 snapped me off right here. He just landed one. We landed one over there. This is nuts, guys. Stay tuned. Oh, took off again. This is why you use 50
50-pound ice line. What is he doing?
Getting the underwater.
Okay. By your other fish. No need. No need. Not a bad fish. That's a nice fish.
Yeah. I'd say probably 25.
Yeah, not a bad fish. I'll take it. 4 in a row. Sick. Like 10 minutes. We're jigging. We got a sight fishing hole in there, and these autos and tip ups are just going nuts. Let's get another one. All right, guys. You want to make sure you're always, if you ever have a sight fishing hole, you have to mark it with anything you can. So we're gonna go get sticks and stuff, but we're also gonna put some ice chunks around here. You always gotta make sure you're marking your holes so people don't drive into here or fall in or anything, because it's gonna be warm the next couple days, so this spot is not gonna freeze over. So we're just gonna mark it real quick. Okay, I'm good. All right, guys. Dude, okay, hold on. Let me explain something real quick. So my tip up was frozen. The gears or the mechanism that lets off the thing, it's like pitch black, as you guys can see. We were, who knows how long. Okay, you need to help me here. This is a big fish, guys. Who knows how long this thing was on here. Yeah, like I was saying, the mechanism was locked. So this is a big, I saw it. We were picking this up and my tip up started going in the water. Oh, it's not too big, but it's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. That is a nice pike right there. That's nuts. Look at how he ate that.
Yeah.
This is nuts, dude. Okay, what? There's the fish for you guys.
I knew you had one on.
My tip up started going in the water. Cause look at the teeth on that guy. Look at that. All right, we're gonna get this guy unhooked now. We got another fish, boys. We were literally just picking up all our tip ups, and this one there was a fish on. All right, guys, we're wrapping up our trip up to Green Bay here, stopping to get gas just to make our way home. Pretty solid.
Pretty solid day, I would say so.
I would say we planned this trip in about probably 24 hours ago,
Yeah.
and we showed up 22 hours ago. It's like 11 o'clock at night right now. We're heading home. And shout out to his cousin, Mac.
Kind of a last minute dealio here.
Oh yeah.
My cousin was on the fish, so I knew when you're fishing the bay, it's all about waves. The fish come in waves, so when they were catching them, I knew that we had to come up here like today. So
Oh yeah. This dude called me in the middle of work. He's like, "We're going up to Green Bay tonight."
Yeah.
I get out of work at 5. 6 o'clock, we were already on the road here. So, all right. So that's gonna wrap up tonight's outing. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys go hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.